I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have two Rebecca Mail boxes. One of them is the Snail Mail. I've never actually reviewed the Snail Mail. This is just a box of stationery and it is $20 a month, and this one I believe you still can get monthly, whereas the other box is now a seasonal box. So let's go ahead and start with this one. I haven't opened it. I'm excited to see what's inside. Ooh, okay, so this is the April box, Unicorns and Sass. How cute is this? And it says, April is a month full of color, fun, and always starts off with fun pranks. We decided to mix it up a bit this month and get a little sassy. We hope these Rebecca Snail Mail exclusive cards with artwork by Nadya Barkova bring you a smile. We are sure you will know which exact friend you should send each one to. Also, in this month's box are some fun magnets by U Brands and our Flair pen of the month. Have fun, Rebecca. How cute. Oh my. Well then, look at this. These must be the magnets. Oh my gosh. These are pretty funny. They're animal heads. Wow. Those are pretty funny. I actually really like those. June, my 4-year-old daughter, is gonna really love the unicorn. I like the rhinoceros. I think that one's my favorite. Oh, I see some little candies in here. Ooh, a tiny little Lara Bar, peanut butter and chocolate. Yummers, I love those. Okay, a pen, Papermate Flair pen. It's like a felt tip pen. Okay, let's see. Once someone told me I live in a fantasy land. I nearly fell off my unicorn. May all your clothes be comfy, your coffee be strong, and all your Mondays be short. Yep. Always be yourself. Unless you can be a unicorn, then always be a unicorn. I don't know if these are all blank inside or what. Probably, I'm assuming. Yesterday, I really wanted wine. Today, I am drinking wine. Follow your dreams. Set goals. Somebody out there is going to push a door that says pull. Today, I am going to be better than that guy. These are funny, and the cute little unicorns, I love these. These are adorable little artwork and really funny. How cute. Oh, I love this. And then you can just send your friends cards for no reason, but who doesn't love to get fun mail, right? How sweet. Okay, so that is the Snail Mail box. Super fun. And now for the spring box. I love that it's bright green. And this box is $59 plus shipping. And again, it is a seasonal box. This is the spring box. Celebrate spring. Our Celebrate Summer box comes out in July 2018, but why wait until then? Keep updated by joining our subscribers-only Facebook group, Beyond the Mail, and stay up to date on all things Rebecca Mail. Chat with Rebecca and her team and get to know the other amazing people in the Rebecca Mail community. Oh, how sweet. And also, if you see anything, they do have a shop online that has stuff from past boxes, possibly this box. And so if there's just one item that you're like, ooh, I really love that, I want to give that as a gift, or whatever, you can order stuff on their site. And I think they actually have a deal going on where you get like 50% off, which is sweet. So anyway, back to the box. Celebrate every day. That's sweet. Oh, there's a card in here too. What is this? Oh, that's just the share information. PopChips potato sea salt. Never. Oh, I love PopChips. These feel like they're like completely smushed. Oh no, that's okay. I will happily still eat them. Okay, mint and rose quartz wellness candle. Oh, that's fun. I want to smell this. Oh, it's very minty. Whoo, baby, that's minty. But look at the texture on this. Do you see that? That's fun, right? This is a cool little candle. I do love candles. Gosh, it's so minty. It almost smells like gum, like mint gum. A little set of ballpoint pens. Oh, those are cute. Little polka dots and stripes. I love that. What is this? It's like a... Oh, it's like a coffee cup. Wow. Oh no, it's a wine mug, but it's like a to-go mug. This is just what I needed in my life, a to-go wine mug. Oh my gosh, that's hysterical. It really does say wine on there, 12-ounce wine, and it's cute. I love the shiny gold, but it's like, it feels like it's double-walled, and it's got a metal inside, but it has the to-go sippy cup top. Oh my gosh, you guys. Cold up to 9 hours, hot up to 3 hours, double-walled and vacuum sealed. Stainless steel, copper coated, insulation, BPA free, push seal lid. This is awesome. This is exactly what I needed in my life. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm super excited about that. What is this? Ooh, some fun earrings. Oh, these are super fun. I'm just gonna put these on right now. I love these peachy tassels. This is a great color. And I definitely do not own anything. I mean, any earrings anyway. Actually, I don't think I own any clothes that are peachy either. That's okay. Fun! Oh, I love them. Super cute. Gosh, there's a lot of stuff in here, you guys. What are these? Ooh, eye masks. Crystal Collagen Gold Powder Eye Mask. Oh, I love eye masks. I have bad allergies because I'm allergic to cats and I have 2 cats. So I always get puffy eyes, plus I'm a mom, so I never get enough sleep. And yeah, eye masks, that's where it's at, buddy. A little umbrella. Oh, it's polka dots. How cute is this? Oh, I love it. Do you see the polka dots? It's nice subtle polka dots, and it just happens to be raining out today. How funny, because it like hardly ever rains in Southern California. Okay, that's cute. What is in here? Is this lip balm? Ooh. They did have, I don't know if they still have it because I just checked the website and I didn't see it, but they had a lip monthly box and I got a really great lip balm before. This is Maine Blueberry Organic Beeswax Cocoa Butter Coconut Oil Flavoring. Ooh, I'm excited about this. Oh, it smells good. Blueberry-licious. How fun. And what else? Is there something else in here? Oh, a nail file. How cute. Oh, I'm gonna put this in my purse because I totally need a nail file in my purse. Just the other day I was wandering around asking everybody if they had a nail file. More little of those mint candies. And then what is in here? Oh, a watch. Oh, wow, look at that. That's really cute. I will probably actually gift this to somebody else just because I always wear my Apple Watch. But this is really pretty. I love the face on there, you know, with the little flowers and that pink band. Really cute. And also, this is totally engravable, right? I always think about that anytime I see something that's like solid. I'm like, oh, I could engrave that. Wow, what a fun box. Oh, I love Rebecca Mail. I think that's all that's in there. I will leave all of the information in the description box. Again, if you want to get just, you know, like one of these, you can order it directly from the website. So make sure you check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.